Hi! So, do you see this? Have you found yourself working out too hard, just like me down here, that you are trying to paste the data from the web and take it into the Excel and then format it? It's so hard, right? It's not to be done this way. I was a fool doing it like this. Look at the best way to do it right now.
Talking about the right way to do it, the right way to do it would be coming to the data tab and selecting the data source from the web. Just paste the URL here. Once you're done with the URL, just click on OK. It takes only a few minutes of time and it will load the data. So all the data comes in the forms of different tables. Select one, and once it pastes here, it takes a few moments and it's already here. It comes with the filters as well, so you don't have to worry about formatting the data, and you get all the parts of the data in a formatted and a metadata condition. Now we'll go with another example being a data with a larger data set. So in this scenario, we'll be trying to download the entire world statistics about COVID from the World Meta website. This data is quite heavy, and that's why I selected it, because it will show you how to take a heavier data set. Now what do we do here? The same thing, paste the URL, wait for it. It will establish a connection. If it is asking a connection for you, just click on OK and connect. So once you are here, let's wait it out. Just select the table that you need. Once you're done, it should be table 0. Yeah, I guess so. So once the table you have got it and you have pinpointed it, just click on it and it's there. So just give it a few moments of time. Till that time, you can go ahead and before clicking on load, you can go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, so once that is done, depending on the size of the data, it will take some time to load it into the screen. So voila, it's already here. Now if you found this video really useful, please go ahead, share it, like and comment, and do subscribe. Bye bye guys.